Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Amid recent changes in China's economy, signs of turbulence are evident, raising concerns about its future. Today, we explore the challenges facing China in 2023, including a looming debt supercycle from the 2008 financial crisis, deteriorating financial systems, high youth unemployment, and a potential property crisis. These issues, coupled with a major developer's impending default, mark the start of larger challenges. Understanding these developments and their potential impact on the US is vital. Let's delve into the details. In 2001, China's growth after joining the World Trade Organization had foreseen consequences. Demand for cheap goods led to outsourcing and 6 million job losses in the US. While China thrived, complexities emerged. They gained power using subsidies, manipulated currency, and expanded universities. This caused youth unemployment, now at 21% for 16 to 24 years olds. Many opt to care for parents due to limited jobs as China's aging population grows. China disputes this, blaming data refinement. The real estate crisis worsens with prices soaring and wealth tied to property. This is just the beginning. Anticipate the trajectory. China's real estate market soared by 700% from 2001 to 2017. Regulations came late, causing developers struggles and protests. Evergrande and Country Garden faced bankruptcy. Deflation risk looms as 50-plus developers falter, leading to economic turmoil. Consumer spending dropped by 0.3% in July due to the housing price slump, leading to job losses. Real estate accounts for 30% of GDP, impacting growth. The shadow banking crisis adds worry, with missed payments triggering concerns of market contagion. U.S. exposure is limited, $215 billion in direct investment. China's impact on U.S. GDP is less than 1%, making it unlikely to majorly affect demand. Irrational panic might cause temporary sales. China's overtaking of the U.S. is distant. Before we continue, remember to show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's talk about the challenges facing China in 2023. Number 1. Shifting global trade dynamics. The impact of trade restrictions. China's historical role as a global manufacturing hub has been disrupted due to increasing trade restrictions by major economies, notably the United States and key European nations. Trade tensions have led to reduced demand for Chinese goods and services, challenging its export-driven growth model. The imposition of tariffs, which are taxes on imports, and export controls have hindered China's access to international markets. These measures make Chinese products less competitive by raising their costs, resulting in reduced orders and intensified competition from other low-cost manufacturing centers. This situation highlights the complexities of global trade dynamics, impacts China's export-oriented economy, and underlines the effects of trade restrictions on international commerce. Number 2. Debt overhang. Dealing with money troubles. China's rapid economic expansion was fueled by a surge in debt across sectors. Corporate, local government, and household debt levels have raised concerns about the stability of the financial system. Imagine borrowing money to start a business or buy a house. China did that a lot. But now, there's a big worry because there's so much debt, like a big pile of money that needs to be paid back. And because of this, there's a higher chance that some of the people and businesses might not be able to give the money back. This is a big problem, especially for businesses that are owned by the government. It's like if you borrowed money from a friend but couldn't pay them back. To make things better, the government is trying to reduce the amount of debt while also making sure that the economy doesn't get worse. It's like trying to fix a problem without creating other problems. This is a really tough job that needs careful planning. Number 3. Demographic shifts. Aging population and workforce. China's demographic landscape is undergoing a transformation with an aging population and a shrinking workforce. This presents challenges for sustaining economic growth and supporting social welfare programs. A declining working-age population places strains on pension systems and healthcare services. Moreover, as the elderly population grows, consumer spending patterns are likely to shift, affecting various industries. Number 4. Technological competition. Navigating the tech arena. China's ambition to lead in technological innovation has led to heightened competition with other tech giants. The crackdown on domestic tech companies and concerns over data security have impacted investor sentiment and innovation. Regulatory interventions have led to uncertainties surrounding the operations of prominent tech firms, affecting their valuations and ability to attract investments. This hampers China's effort to establish itself as a global tech leader. Number 5. Environmental pressures, balancing growth and sustainability. China's rapid industrialization has come at a significant environmental cost. Increasing pressure to address pollution and embrace sustainable practices adds complexity to economic planning. Stricter environmental regulations and international climate commitments requires China to transition towards greener technologies. This transition could disrupt traditional industries and require significant investments. Number 6. Regional disparities, addressing urban-rural divide. The economic gap between urban centers and rural areas remains a persistent challenge. Bridging this divide is crucial for social stability and balanced growth. While China's major cities have experienced rapid development, rural areas continue to lag behind in terms of infrastructure, education, and healthcare. Addressing these disparities is vital to ensuring inclusive growth. In conclusion, though China's economy might not be facing an immediate collapse, the challenges of 2023 are clear. The interplay of changing trade dynamics, debt issues, population shifts, competition in technology, environmental concerns, and differences between different parts of the country are all mixed and need serious attention. How well China deals with these challenges will shape its path ahead. This will not just affect its own economy, but also how it fits into the rest of the world. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.